Well, hello there. I just wanted to update you all on what's been happening with Ruby. It's been a while since I last talked to you, and a lot of things have happened. So the main thing which has happened is we've got the blood test result back, so it's very positive and good news. She had a result of 5.92 and she only needed 0.5. The blood test is simply something which you need before you can apply for the import permit, and so it's very crucial that you get this done correctly. So what I did was I hired a company to pick it up from the hospital in Cochin, Kerala, and they took it to Delhi, and they had a vet certify it there so that it's non-hazardous and that it's fit for transport. And then they gave it to FedEx, and FedEx took it to the Animal and Plant Health Agency in the United Kingdom. And after that, they had the result to us in 2 weeks. I'm going to use this report to apply for the import permit to Australia. Go to the website of the Department of Agriculture to apply for the import permit. Submit your import permit application on the Biosecurity Import Conditions System. Attach the report, which I just showed you earlier, and include a note as to where your dog's coming from. Allow at least 20 working days for the department to approve the application. Once the application is approved, you can start booking your flights to Singapore or wherever you're taking the dog through. In my case, it's Singapore. I'm also looking for a crate. I really need a crate for Ruby, otherwise she can't go on the airplane. If you know anyone in Kerala who can sell me a crate, 48 inches times 32 inches times 35 inches, that's length times width times height, please get in touch with me. I would also encourage you all to subscribe to my channel and donate if you like this video. I'm also going to share something with you about a video which I have recorded of Ruby sleeping. Bye.